I'm going to record this because I didn't think y'all would believe it, but Norman decided to walk the trail with me today. Why? Come on, buddy. Come on, show him how you're walking with me. Come on. Come on, Norm. Come on, Norm. You going to walk ahead of me? Yeah, he's a good boy. Is Norman a good boy? Norman. Yeah. Come on. Keep up. I'll walk ahead. You walk behind. Come on, Norm. Oh, I'm losing him. Come on, Normie. Come on. Keep up. Here he comes. There he goes. Oh, it's cold out. Good job, Norman. There you go. Now he wants to lead. Norman's gonna lead. You want some rubbins? Norman wants some rubbing. Oh yeah, you good boy. You good boy. Come on. Make it all the way around. You gonna make it all the way around? Come on. Here he comes. Good job. Now you know where you are. Keep going. Did you stop for some rubbins? Did you stop for some rubbins? Yeah. Oh, nice boy. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Now, I will be extremely impressed if he tries to go around with me the second time. Norman, do you have what it takes? Come on. What a good boy. What a good boy. Okay, I'm going around in a second. I'm going to run. I'm going to see what he does. He stopped. He's sniffing something. Ouch, I got a sticker or something. Normie, are you still coming? Wow. Norman, if you follow me again, I don't know what to think. Oh my goodness, he's coming again. Norman! Norman's got the red stuff. Yeah. Come on, Norman. Norman's getting his walking on today. He went all the way around one time. Yeah, you go boy.